This is our gasifier. Combined with the gasifier, we have a bin feeder, which is also used to dry the stock feed, the wood blocks. So the gasifier's hottest part, which is this area, it will be positioned right here with this big ventilator fan, which sucks in all the hot air, and it will blows in over the wood in a special way, where all the wood is dried before it's used. So new wood gets been dumped in on top with a big bag, and it gets taken out manually on the side and then used manually on top. So this bin is built for this gasifier as well. That is also a drying plant for the feed. Hello, this is our gasifier unit we are selling. It's based on the Ben Peterson model that you can build. You will have the main overlay of the parts is the main reactor, the hopper feeder, and the filter box. We've added some extra cyclone filter assembly, and there is some extra cooling added onto the system. We have also added a vibrating wrapper motor on top to keep it from not hanging up. And everything is controlled via the electrical controls with timers. This control box will also be controlling a motor underneath, which is the ash grid motor. It keeps the ashes from falling down and access for the air to flow. And also the blower motor, which is the main starter blower motor over here to start the unit up. This unit could be bypassed when you are running a combustion motor, so that the blower is not the primary air mover. Basically, feedstock will be coming in on the top. That'll be feed, and main air will be via this safety valve over here. And there is a inspection glass to see your flame condition. There is maintenance portholes under every part of the unit to do regular maintenance of removing dust or ashes or water. There is multiple condense collection tanks. The first one will be on the hopper, which is this one. The next one will be on the top part of the reactor, which is also a place to remove some condensed water. And then, of course, after the gas has gone through the cyclone feeder and going through the cooling pipes, there is a big condensed water collection tank at the bottom. After that, the gas will exit into the main filter unit, which is comprised of organic materials and also some filters. And this will give you your clean gas out to be used in your motor. Thank you. This is one of our generators that is for sale. They are installed into two containers. This specific generator we have been used the most. From the outside, our gas has been coming in through a final filter, which was then mixed in with the air. This was our electronic carburetor, also built on Ben Peterson's carburetor model, which is controlled via Arduino and carburetor to mix in the correct amount of air in gas mixture. This specific model is a 12 kVA model. It comes with full deep sea electronic generator controls. And it has also heat exchange on the hot water and heat exchange on the exhaust. So all heat is reused from this motor. This is our second generator that is also for sale. It is similar as the other one, just with a silent noise cancelling canopy. It is the motor and generator. It comes with a also its own generator controls, which is this one, Interlight, and it also has heat exchange on the water side and also on the exhaust side. So all heat could be reused from this motor. This is the second container. It has the third generator, which is also a 12 kVA generator with a smart gen controller. And this unit is placed with 3,000 liter buffer tanks, which can accumulate all the heat from the motor via the heat transfer from the hot water of the motor and the exhaust. And here is also installed some pumps and some controls to keep recycling the water, the hot water from the motors, and accumulate it into these tanks that can be used for heating. Inside one of the containers we have a newly built a heating system. It's comprised of 3,000 liter buffer tanks, and these collect the heat of the generators. It is like a CPH system, combined heat and power, that you can put together. And each of these generators or gasifier or heating systems, it can be bought separately or as a total set.